So this is what me and my granddaughters are doing. We're Nerf fighting in here. Big old gun battle. They got their guns. And I got mine. X-shots. They're out there getting ready, collecting bullets. Let's see. Let's see how they do. I just came around the corner. She already shot me. Supposed to get a countdown.
Okay, we do get a countdown.
Cheaters.
B, C, D, go!
Whoa! Hey!
No! You're behind!
Ah! I got Papa in the head. Papa got hit in the head. Look out, Papa.
Lay down. Lay down. It's close, Batista!
Oh, shoot. Ah! Oh! Whoa! Thing was coming right at me. She got me. Dang it. Thing here is to create angles. If not, they get you. And he's getting blasted. She's just reloading. She don't care. I'm empty now. Ah, dang. Ah!
Wait, I need to fix my bolt. Time out. I threw a bullet at Bobby's head.
So now everybody's all reload. These things are pretty cool. A lot of fun to play with the kids. Reload, reload.